Hi, it's Dr. Laura Jaggett, and I want to tell you a story. I was in the line for the car wash yesterday, and I was behind a woman who completely freaked out. She didn't know what to do. She didn't know how to order what she wanted. She was very afraid to move her car into the track that takes you through the car wash. And then, when she was finally going through, she suddenly hit her brake and put it in reverse. They had to shut down the entire car wash to help her out. I was telling this story and someone empathized with her because they admitted that they too were afraid to go through the car wash because they didn't know the procedure. So this Mominar is going to explain how to go through a drive-through car wash step by step. The first thing you're going to do is drive up and select what type of wash you want. There is usually a menu. It's very similar to a drive-up window at a fast food restaurant, except instead of getting food, you'll get a receipt which you will place on your dashboard. This tells the next set of people what type of wash you're going to get so that they can push the correct button. Now, you're going to follow the road around to enter the car wash. Just drive slowly and it'll take you to where you need to enter the track to go through the wash. I am told that this is the part that stresses people out the most. How do you know if you get your wheel within the track? First of all, the road is situated so that when you round the corner, you're pretty much lined up with it. You're just going to wait your turn while the car in front of you gets scrubbed down and starts moving through the car wash. Now it is your turn. Someone is going to indicate that you are to move forward. Move slowly toward the track. Watch the person who's guiding you in. They'll give you hand signals like move forward or indicate to you to turn your wheels left or right. Just keep your eyes on them and gently move your steering wheel to the left or the right as you move into the track. Don't worry, they are watching you and they'll make sure that you make it in. Once you're in the track, they will tell you to stop and show you some instructions on what to do next. Follow these instructions. As soon as you're told to stop, put your car in neutral. Then take your foot off the brake. Your car is not going to go anywhere once it's in neutral because it's being held in place within the track. There is nothing for you to do now for the next couple of minutes, so just relax. Your car will get brushed down with soapy water. The car wash worker will push a button and the track will start moving. Your car will now move through the car wash. While you're on this track, do not put your foot on the brake or the gas. Do not put your hands on the steering wheel. And do not move your car out of neutral. Just enjoy the ride until you've gotten all the way through. As you're coming to the end of the car wash, you will see a light that'll be yellow or red and it'll say, wait. Do not move until that light turns green or says go. Once it says go, you can now put your foot on the brake, put your car in drive, and slowly exit the car wash. Congratulations, you did it. I love going through the car wash and I love keeping my car clean. It's really easy and I hope this Mominar helped you out. Check out my other Mominar on how to use the vacuum, which is usually free at your car wash facility. And if you want to see what it's like to go through the entire car wash, I'll post that video as well. I hope that this helped take a little bit of fear out of this adulting situation. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you would give it a thumbs up, please share it, and subscribe to my channel for more short tutorials on how to do basic life skills. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you in the next Mominar.